Welcome to, everyone. Today, I'm going to explain how I crimped a Cat6 Ethernet cable using some essential tools and components. The components I used were a Cat6 Ethernet cable, a crimping tool, and an RJ45 connector. Now let me walk you through the steps I followed. First, I stripped about 1 inch of the outer insulation from the Cat6 cable using a stripper. This exposed the 4 twisted pairs inside, which means there are 8 individual wires. Second, I untwisted the pairs and straightened the wires. Then I arranged them according to the T568B wiring standard. The color order is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Next, I trimmed the wires evenly to make sure they are all the same length, so they can fit perfectly into the RJ45 connector. After that, I carefully inserted the wires into the RJ45 jack, making sure each wire went into the correct slot. I also checked that the wires reached the end of the connector and stayed in the right order. Then, I placed the connector with the cable into the crimping tool, and pressed the handle tightly. This secured the wires into the connector by pushing small pins into them. All 8 wires were properly connected and the cable was ready to use. So, by following these steps, I successfully crimped a Cat6 Ethernet cable.